Boy, I say in the morning now. Morning the viewers on the voice of bed miller. In the morning now. From at half on Bay Beach as usual. Yeah. I drink my cocoa porridge. You know, see it. First me start by saying, yeah man, big up Nib. They win 4-1 yesterday. No, 4 love. Yeah man, I stayed they win 4-1 Monday. Nib win 4 love yesterday. Beat up this coffee beer. Big up Jerry and them boys them with the victory. I'm not going nowhere. I'm not really going nowhere because I say boy Jaja. Say I'm not really to go nowhere again, you know. And stay on my yard as much as possible, you know. We Jamaica one right now. But all of me I say, I'm going to go straight to the point. I'm not make no long speech right now. Because I can't have the long bag of talking. Because boy, this is a thing I reach to all levels right now. I'm going to say, boy, I can't believe what happened in my country, brother. As I tell people, say, I live in the 70s in a Michael Manley time, in the 80s in a Siaga time, in the 90s in a PG time, the year 2000 Porsche and Bruce. You know, see it, and now in this in the Andrew Holness time. And boy, I tell you, say, I found 2020, I see it coming now. I found 2020, I not really, because I say believe, I doubt. I found 2020 during the COVID time, you know. You know, see it. I don't believe in the Bible anymore, you know. You know, see it. I don't believe in the Son of God anymore, you know. I don't believe anymore because I believe I doubt. But from 2020, I know say, you know, see it. I know say there is a God. I know say there is a Son of God. I know say the words written in the Bible is for real. I don't believe. I know. I don't believe in that. I don't believe anymore. But I know for sure. Say that man. Them call him Jesus. Them one name they want to call him. But I know. Say the Son of God. I don't believe in him. I don't believe because I believe I doubt. I know say the Son of God is for real. From 2020. At 2020 make me know say this. At 2020 me see the wickedness of man in a seat. Of mankind. 2020. The year when all the COVID started from 2019, but at 2020 it starts spreading such a way. At the time I know it's a God real. For me to go through in the time of COVID, the thing of the people and go through, especially poor people go through, and that draw me closer to God. And I don't believe in God anymore. I know God real, the Son of God real. I don't believe, I believe I doubt. When you believe something, you know, it's like in a doubt, I think, you know. But when you know something, you don't doubt anymore. You know it's the Son of God real. And that me I start on right now. And that I want to know. The Son of God. And you can learn about him. In the Bible. So no matter what the people must say. Because this is a smartphone now, especially on TikTok. Appear atheists in a seat, full of social media now. That's why the earth is get so wicked. That's why the men of this world is so wicked. And the men of this world are bring down the people them. Because enough of them they serve the devil. They must serve the devil. Because one of Jamaica you know call himself Bo God. Him and the living devil. And one thing I want to say. I beg a YouTube channel. I beg a YouTube. Don't take down my content. I'm going to say, I'm going to say it clear. I'm not say it any further. See, all of the world leaders them who force them people to take vaccine, because I'm anti-vax. I beg a YouTube channel, don't take down the content. Because when I talk about the vaccine and talk certain things, I talk about vaccine, one time, I want to take them content. I don't want to call certain evilous man name and things still, you know. Because we all know who when I push the vaccine, and we all know who create the virus, you know. We know say it was created, but you know see it. But all what I say, you see when you have a leader you know, and look down and telling us say, God make vaccine, you never go take vaccine. Only didn't know all what the vaccine is all about. Because I can tell people, I know a couple of people what the vaccine kill, who the vaccine kill. The vaccine kill my uncle, Metic. Because me and my reason already. Because I got watch you one time, and me and Charlie got watch and tell me, he take a vaccine, and when he take a vaccine. And my auntie when tell me after a while say, he might go take a booster. When he take a booster and start out. Because I take a man drinking rum for a long time, I drink rum and all them sitting. Because I saw him grandfather, I saw him father, my grandfather son go young. I saw Uncle Bass and the man they drink them rum and the man trouble them on a certain levels. But fans take a vaccine now, it start affecting on a certain levels. I know one lady compound on named Jice, Speedy Mother. A vaccine kill Jice too. Vaccine kill Jice. Make Jice soul rest in peace. You know see it. And his son Speedy souls too. Because whenever we go up, as a little boy and Speedy, and my brethren see me, I saw you go. You know see it. That's what life said. But a vaccine kill Speedy Mother. Giants, we all know that. I mean, I'll go further and further. Yes. But it's only Jamaican people who are going to Jamaica right now. But the devil control Jamaica, you know. The devil, that's why Jamaica turn in one place right now, you know, man. Because the leader love money. And the leader love money so much. And the love of money is the root of all evil. You know what is we on the world right now. I pay evilous man and rule the world, you know. Because they work for the devil. Donald Trump are the devil. Because Donald Trump a portray that thing like I don't know me to call his name if YouTube are going to take down my thing. I don't want to call sometimes I don't want to call his name. Because we know say look at Trump do. American Trump still run for president same way. And Trump are the biggest racist, no matter when you want go on the most way. The man is servant of the devil, brother. The one name L Gates. L Gates, I don't call him right name, just call him L Gates. Who push the vaccine upon the people them. And that's it. And the vaccine builder, the chief medical advisor in America, him build them. And we all know about the vaccine thing what take place. And that's it. So the people in Jamaica right now, I don't want to go to stop the devil, you know. Because the man is so powerful now. And the devil run the world right now. You know see why big war down something there? Down the Middle East right now. Because I say, when the last time I say he won the last missile down Israel. Israel go war down this right now. War down Russia with Russia and Ukraine. The whole world in a seat. Because God left them to them have to be mine, you know. So the whole world is Jamaica full of people, Batman now and people lesbian now. Everywhere corrupt on a certain levels. Everywhere. The world does you know one thing right now, me and tell you better. But what me and talk about, yeah man, because Jamaican is not Jamaican like before. Because me see them have a thing on social media with some girls when I do all them things right now. You see it. Big up Boost back in the time when Boost said no gain in cabinet. So I know how Andrew owns cabinet stay right now. Boost rolling, that's the only thing we wait about Boost. No gain in cabinet. Because one the man knows he's a man, a straight to man me deal with. I'm not busy about what anybody wants about. I'm not busy about another man, a straight to man me deal with. To man thing. I'm not too talk about homosexual and everything there, you know. Because what the Son of God do to Sodom and Gomorrah. You know see it. I know what me stand for. I read my Bible and I see why I go down to Sodom and Gomorrah go down. I'm not to elaborate on that. I'm not to talk about homosexuality and lesbian because Because I don't want to feel something too important to me. I don't want an argument with them. Them set of people you can't argue with. I just leave them. I read my Bible and say, oh, God deal with them already. So I rest my case this. But what I say, at Jamaica right now, because you know, so we all are sinners, you know, and come short of the glory of God, you know. We all know that. All of the man them, everybody, on one perfect man tried to, yeah man, and the Son of God. But what I say now, Jamaican people, when I know how to go get themselves out of this, because the first, because our leader right now is a servant of the devil. I don't know how to go get him out of power now. I don't know how. Because never in the history of Jamaican politics we see them things go on. You know, so the Prime Minister, they sue organization, and they sue a set of people. The people them, the IC people them, was appointed to investigate our the people them, not the politician alone, and member of parliament alone. Them was appointed for if they see a man of which is the one who then come by. You have to declare how you come by your money and so forth. And the people them have the Prime Minister investigate the Prime Minister, then come to a certain level of investigation, and then put it to Parliament and one bag of passa. One bag of passa, brother. You can't talk nothing at all about it's a Prime Minister. Yeah. If you talk anything at all about the Prime Minister, he'll track you down and find you. Because I only give the Prime Minister power in the people of Jamaica. I only give him the power, you know. Because the Prime Minister of Jamaica in a bandage. Yes. A Prime Minister who as I said, I'm anti-vaccine. Because I ain't going to vote, you know. I ain't going to vote because I hope say YouTube not take my content. But I say during the COVID crisis, I know say I don't believe in God anymore. I don't know say there's a God. I know say there's a God. I don't believe I doubt. And I know that Jesus is the Son of God. In a seat. Jamaica have a Prime Minister who called an election in a one pandemic at the time when people with the country in such turmoil, people life at risk than all them sitting there. And the man called an election. And the funniest thing about it, the man win an election with the lowest voters turnout in a Jamaican history. 20% of people turn out. It come like 11% of people turn out at the by-election of the day. Monday were gone. You know, see, how much? 40,000 people, 43,000 people the on voters list. And out of the 43,000 people, less than 6,000 people. Less than 6,000 people turn out. If you vote, less than 6,000 people. And GLP win the by-election and have them big celebration. And mine now, there are people vote, nobody not vote, you know. Election because the government 29.5 million. Come in say 25 million if you keep local going to by-election, you know. I say 25 million but a 29.5 million. Yeah, man, the electoral director man was talking on my TV last night. I hear him say 29.5 million in spend. 40,000 people on the voters list and less than 6,000 people vote. And the Jamaican Labour Party people they celebrate, big celebration. And while they celebrate Monday night, mass killing are going on Westmoreland. Them text still celebrate. All the country nice and the country this and the Prime Minister build pay school. Come here, some more of the chat. Oh, them a school builder, them a road builder, them a that builder. In a seat. Yes. And them a support them the night of them celebration. Andrew one is there in India. while them a celebrate on them platform, me know if a sentence be a watch it, them have them big meeting, in celebration meeting. When less than 6,000 persons go for, them a celebrate that. Say them victorious. While them a celebrate, and the Prime Minister there in India, and people of Westmoreland get killed. Mass shooting are going to Westmoreland. Yes. Then yet people get shot, 4 dead. And the Jamaican Labour Party people must celebrate victory. And I see it by election. And I see it. Yesterday now, El broke out loose of Parliament. Till Market G have to come out and go up on the street and make his speech. Jamaican people, Jamaica is held in a bondage by a Prime Minister who was elected by the lowest voters turnout in our history. Jamaican people only can make the devil. Jamaican God country, you know. We are God people, you know. Jamaica, you know. You know, so you make this man take over the country. You know, no say. Jamaica, no talk. The opposition now no talk. You have a man with a handful of people control Jamaica. You know, see, control Jamaica in such a way, brother. As a handful of people, you know. Because nobody now vote, you know. Nobody now to vote again like back in the days when Michael Manley and Siaga won election and man and PJ get you have 70% turnout and all that much turnout. Nobody now vote again. A minority in a seat. Yeah. In a seat. That's what I say. And the man go keep more by election same way. For a reason. Because the devil, Andrew Holness, who's the devil? He must lead the people him. Because the devil wants some leaders in a safe to control the people him. Because the devil in the world leaders him now. The devil in the church again upon the levels in the man. Satan upon the last days upon earth, he might bring no as much people he can bring no with him. And no phone I go down with Andrew Holness there. Because the man is a devil, man, youth. The man love money too much. The love of money is the root of all evil. That's why Jamaica is so evilous and so corrupted and full of peer batman and peer lesbian and peer murderers and peer, yeah man. And them things are going to Jamaica. Back in a few days in the 70s and 80s, yes, we know some man a kill man back in the time still, you know. But the place never stay so. In the 70s when time Michael Manley and Siaga the man in an argument. Siaga answered Michael and Michael answered Siaga. In a seat. You cannot talk anything about Siaga, you talk anything about Michael Manley. Look what they used to talk about PJ Patterson. And PJ Patterson and so nobody. He just run things and not doing things same way. But this man here have the country and a bandage. He come like Pharaoh. During COVID time, look how the man deal with the people, with the poor people. Only same poor people that went up and down behind him. Because Tisha did right, you know. Yeah man. See, boy Tisha need a sample, you know. Boy, I Tisha, you know, easy, you know, brother. You understand me? But we don't know you for a morning still. I know as I say you stay, you're dieted. You understand me? You understand me? You're dieted Labour, right? You just love Labour Party. Because right now, Tisha has a Market G a white man. See, I got me working a man, Tisha. Me ask all the way, see, I got was what color man. You know, see, when the whole one was a boss gun for Siaga, everybody was a boss gun for Siaga. Michael Manley was a white man, see, everybody a boss gun for Michael Manley back in the days. Nobody now boss no gun for no politician again. Okay. Okay. So we all know the political history in this country, Siaga. So when you draw about Market G, a white man and this and that, we all know the history at Siaga. And big up yourself to Edward George Philip Siaga. Because you do a lot to the Jamaican country. But you're better than Andrew Holness. Because you see man, you say Andrew Holness is not a good leader. And he proven. Only thing I can suggest to the Jamaican people, I don't tell them to pick up no arms and go fight nobody. Because when they tell when Jamaics used to burn in fire, Jamaica, the same popular Jamaics, like him popular on social media, because they are foreign now. The team slap this brother with upon him, have him TikTok thing and do him thing. And my brother doing that. When he say he go turn Jamaica and look at 80, then come film and then lock him down. And my Jamaics having law, you have to free up himself on certain levels. I mean, I tell Jamaics you can't approach the way the brother. You can't talk about pick up arms because you can't fight the devil them way the brother. You have to use words, sound and power. Use what the Son of God used upon them. Upon the scribes and the Pharisees and Panchos pile all of them. When the Son of God used words, sound and power and burn them out, call them hypocrites and call them white sepulchre and all them sitting there. And he couldn't stop him, the Son of God. And him in a seat. Yeah man. Jamaican people have to use what him do as much as possible. And Jamaican people only need to come out. We want a general election right now. Because it come like the devil want to fight one another and kill one another over there in a seat. Over him. In a seat. Because the devil get corner right now. That's why the people them are push out the thing. Because the man figure out prison, brother. You see my friend? Because all him can't go to prison, the world can't go to prison all now. Them rob, them thief, them do everything they want to do. Because they feel the time now catch up on them. But devil, the time come, brother. You need to call a general election. You need to call a general election. Don't set the people them go walk in upon one another and kill out them one another. You call it 2020. In a seat. When the country was in turmoil with all the COVID, you call it 2020 and you trample on poor people, you trample on the people of God, you lock down churches, you tell people that God make vaccine and poor the people who believe in you and go and take vaccine and lose all them life. Because we all know the vaccine, I don't want to touch on the vaccine thing because I know my content get locked down. But I know people who take vaccine because they're taking the vaccine in a seat. Yeah, and then lose them life. No close relative and close friend. I don't like talk about that. Because we talk about that, you two go lock down the thing. But the Jamaican people them, so for the future, and the kids' future, the people them who look upon the things from a political point of view, who love Jamaica and love one another, who don't even come out and demonstrate, a peaceful demonstration. We are there to lock in the country better and demand the Prime Minister to call a general election. Since because they must celebrate for the victory and something there. A sentence. Since you know so much, since you know the builders of this and builder, we don't need to call a general election. A general election need to call. We don't want Andrew Holness not to resign from the Jamaican Labour Party. Andrew Holness need to something there. The Jamaican Labour Party that's full strength. The Jamaican Labour Party is fully united right now. Fully united. PNP Party fully united. PNP Party have something there. Have PNP in the seat and the PNP Avengers. The PNP Avengers with Beanie Man, Cartel in a seat, Popcorn and what is it, Beanie Man in a seat, Cartel, Popcorn and Buju Banton. That is the PNP Avengers. And plus them have Shaggy behind them too. Them have Mavado too. Surprise if you know Mavado in a seat. Them have the Maroon warrior that are curry. And them have L.A. Lewis, all them entertainers they behind the PNP right now. JLP have Vegas. You might know me know about Vegas and them have the brethren Tishan will talk a lot. Yes, Tishan, you go on your thing, you get well popular and well famous. For your boy, your Labourite, you know, see it. Yes, sir. So, as I think, say. Yeah, man. So, now have no entertainer with the behind, you know. So, GLP party at full strength. PMP party plus them have the PMP Avengers. Them have, yeah, man. PMP party at full strength now. We don't know pandemic. We don't know the country recover from burial and all them sitting there. The country is stronger now. If you call election after the battle, the sweet of the victory, call the election now. Because let me say now, everything, because most of the election never run into 5 years, always a 4 years time election call. Because you must can do something in 4 years if you know say the people them. You're not power for 4 years now. And you are the well according to the some mood upon according to the celebration. Because if Isaac Buchanan won a Portland, and Portland people say they now sell out Isaac Buchanan, they must stick to them vast lady. So the stronger Portland, on the stronger Portland, all the man need to do is to call a general election. That's all, you know. And second thing, you know. And that Market G are telling you, you know. That's why they want to pass a motion because they have no confidence in the Prime Minister. And the Jamaican people are some handful of people having an bandage, you know. Are some handful of people. So, we take the thing off of social, we take it, we depend on TikTok across one another. PMP and GLP depend on TikTok across one another. I pay talk, I go on TikTok. I go 1 year I lavish and talk this and posting that. You know, see it, 1 year what a campaign I go on, 1 year what a campaign I go on, GLP at full strength, PMP at full strength, make the backers, make the call election now. You know, see it, we not talk about no conference when I go keep. Call election before a conference. You know, see it. Since you're not ready, I don't talk about don't even call a general election. Well, when I celebrate Monday, people that get killed on Westmoreland Monday. And that me talk about, you know, when you call it during election, man, don't make it go in the next year. You never go in the next year. Because when you went do 2021, you called 2020. And Andrew wants to turn the place green. No, everything alright, according to everything alright. That's all I say. You know, see? And the People's National Party, we don't need to do supporters them. Same like the man back in the days during the COVID time, they come out and demonstrate. If the massive PMP people then come out and demand election, we need to demand the general election. We need to plan a thing and come out. Because they have quiet Market G them in the parliament. We don't have no representative, the opposition leader them, because there's 14 of them against 40 of them in the parliament. And them call them down. You know, see, since the Prime Minister is a man of integrity, put it to the people them. Put in integrity to the people them. We don't even call a general election. That's all I'm saying, you know. And stop the bag of chatting and tracing on TikTok and on social media. Upon YouTube, upon Instagram and all them sitting there. Bag of tracing. Upon the smartphone. Upon social media. You take up on TikTok, I pay tracing PMP and GLP and trace. Circle the score, man. Circle the score, brother. Because one by-election called in February. No, local government election called in February, so the electoral machine ready and now. You can spend almost 30 million for one election. And over less than 6,000 person turn up to come vote. And drink me coke power jam, man, because boy, I'm madness are going to Jamaica right now. Madness to where I teach. A Prime Minister with with a handful of people of Jamaican bondage. Handful of people. A Prime Minister who was elected by the lowest voters turnout in 2020. They run Jamaica and have Jamaican bondage. A Prime Minister, nobody can chat, nothing about him. If you don't want to free up yourself in Jamaica, brother, you don't need to go demonstrate and demands election. Demands an election. Demands election, you want an election. And that you need to do, unite on the plan on the thing. You set a day or two and you come out on a massive, you shut down school, you shut down and so on the demonstrate for the rights. Take back on the country. You're anti-vaccine, brother. Michael Manley picked you. You don't see it. You're anti-vaccine, you're Michael Manley picked you. You don't see it. You need to take over back in the country, brother. Not with arms, but with words, sound and power. Taking nothing to the streets. We demonstrate, peaceful demonstration too, and demands a general election. Because PMP at full strength, JLP at full strength. And if whosoever win the battle, that's okay. You understand me? If you see Mark J walk out of Parliament at just 20 because he can't non speech in the Parliament because he's not learn. So if you don't want violence in the country, brother, you don't need to just come out. You don't sit down and one year thing a trace on social media. 1 year what a tracing. Because the man knows the man now call an election and he might go to the full. And next year, if you don't see things in favor, he now go call the same way. Look how long it take to call the local government election. Andrew wants to say devil, brother. And God people can phone up on the devil. Because God people are telling us, because he telling us that God make vaccine and God not have the vaccine. God not have to do the God of the Bible, Son of God. He have not have to do with vaccine, the vaccine, the COVID-19 vaccine. Son of God have nothing at all to do with homosexual, nothing at all to do with lesbian, nothing at all to do with the murderers them same way. Yeah, man. You understand me? All the contract killers who are going to kill people and call up God name same way, and nothing at all to do with them people. Every man pan out his brothers and sisters. No matter your skin color what you might be. All our brothers and sisters upon God land. That is what Adam and Eve story. We don't know the mystery of God thing. God didn't think different. We don't know the mystery. All our black and white, all our innocent, and the devil are win. And the devil have no. Andrew only selling soul to the devil because he love money too much. And you see, the whole of them, trump the whole of them, are servant of the devil. But try to divide people and try to discriminate against people. And God watch your skin color. God watch your heart. And the heart of mankind. God now, this is the battle over good and evil. And not black and white anymore. Good and evil now. And the good people against the evil people. And we have some evil leaders who love money. And for the love of money, they will do anything for money. And the followers them follow them same way. The love of money is the root of all evil. I don't dig that. And our Prime Minister, the bro devil, when he make a speech, every poor man must have them castle. Every poor man must have them castle compared to a speech by the Son of God. When he tell Judas say, leave the woman alone. You know, see, leave the woman alone. The woman when I use expensive ointment and I rub down in foot and with tears and all them sitting there. And when Judas said, down the back, the ointment they couldn't sell. You know, see it for X amount of money. You know, see it. Yeah, man. And give to the poor. You know, see it. You know what Jesus turned to him and say? Leave the woman alone. She do it for a reason. Because you will always have the poor. You will always have the poor with you. But me, you not go have always. You know what the Apostle John did right say? Because them say he was close to Jesus, you know, Apostle John, you know. Because in John they say them thing there, you know. Apostle John said, Judas never did concern about the poor. Because Judas was a thief. And Judas used to carry the money bag, you know. He used to carry the money bag, you know. When because I can't teach in the Bible we can't go to the Bible lesson, you know. Judas used to carry it. Look how God chose for me to carry the money back. The man who betrayed him. The 30 piece of silver. He pretend like he loved the poor, but he never did love the poor. It was money him did love. Just like Andrew always pretend like he love poor people. Andrew was not love poor people. When you can see, so he not love poor people. So Andrew was the type of man like Judas. I was to carry the money back. When Jesus tried the earth, with him apostle, him at that, God is a mystery, you know. You don't understand the fullness of God, you know. But Son of God exists. I'm not trying to find out he really exists. You know, see, the man who love money, look what I did in foolishness, what them keep up. When you have money, you just start live some life. Some look on life, because I'm not so did and the man and them thing. I don't want to talk about certain things. It's a sinner, you know. Yeah, man. Because we all are sinners come short of the glory of God. Son of God, real brother. Jamaican people, when they need to come out and take over back in the country. Because this man is going to make a war against one another. This man is not calling an election now. He must try, he must see what, he must look for some little loopholes where he can win. And that man look fine as long as the people unite. Put on a political difference aside. We unite with the people at Jamaica, with the future generation. Always on the life will be in danger. You know, see it. See this thing? And this thing I won the world right now. Them I won the world. Smartphone. You see, on Jamaican CXC passes most poor. Everybody feels about this we can use. Sometimes people want they not want to go to school again. Because this thing wants. Surprise, you know. Yes. As I say, when I don't talk here, I know this is good too long right now. The word is love still, but as I tell you, sometimes I make all content and I don't want to post it. Yeah. As I say, the people who love Jamaica, who need to come out and demand the election. Man, call election this year and they will stretch it out. We don't no opposition again. Because the few who come on a PMP in the don't talk again. Because they just call them down. Go devil. You might escape the judgment of man, but you don't escape the judgment of God. Yeah, man. It's a fear soul. Yeah, man. I got burned in a hellfire. It's like how you deal with we in a COVID and deal with God people and persecute us. All the world leaders kind of a spiritual hellfire for you. Because we want to bring the one world order. Some things are going on in the world right now, one world order, want to bring up on the people. I'll not try now. I gotta come stop it. I gotta come rule in the world, you hear me? Prepare. I gotta come rule, take back in the world for now. I'm going to show you the real God. That's why when I come, I'm going to build one army to fight against him. And they say go there. Since COVID, you don't believe in God anymore. Since 2020, we know there's a God. And God fight poor people battles. I want the poor people gotta go judge enough. So big up all the world leaders them who stand up for poor people. Like this is one of them, Michael Joshua Manley. Yeah, man, he wasn't a poor, he wasn't a something there. Yeah, man, he wasn't a perfect man. Michael Manley wasn't a black man. Michael Manley was a man of light complexion. Just like Siaga. Just like Marky G. Yeah, man. Yeah. So, as me say, I'm out. I'm out. But I'm gonna know what this poster. Talk a lot of things. And I see it. The more we talk, and the more we just feel like my life in danger. But are the facts, brother. So sometimes if you die now, if you're dead for right, if you're dead for a belief I know. Every man, his brothers and sisters, you hear me? It's all about the devil. Devil. Good against evil. That's why Dennis Bourne said, love and hate can never be a friend. Never be a friend. Good over evil. So the thing said, yes, I am. One love. I'm out. One love according to Bob Marley. I'm out.